A recent assassination in Lebanon leaves the country in a political upheaval. Gallup finds Lebanese favor Hezbollah and its backers more than the U.S., an ally of the pro-Western elite. The military in Lebanon is in the middle of a political battle. Who should be the next president? With the recent assassination of Brigadier General Francois Al-Hajj, who would have become the next army chief once the new president is elected, the divide has grown even wider. On the one side, the majority pro-Western ruling elite. The other is Hezbollah, backed by Syria and Iran. And in the middle, the military, who has attempted to stay neutral in the past 3 years of conflict. Gallup polled in 2006 and found that 87% of Lebanese have confidence in their military, versus only 40% who have confidence in their national government. The status of the government is a part of the issue that Lebanon faces in the upcoming elections, with opposing forces vying for control. Gallup finds that Lebanese have a more favorable opinion of Hezbollah, Iran, and Syria than they do of the United States, an ally of the ruling elite. The UN recently condemned the general's assassination and called for elections to be held without delay. I'm Yasmin Vasugian, and join us again to hear more voices from around the world.